Hi, I'm Jonathan with Cokesbury VBS. Today I'm going to demonstrate science experiments from the Knights of North Castle Science Leader Guide. This is Session 1, Experiment 2, Water Suction. For this experiment, you'll need 3 pennies, matches, a candle, we've used a birthday candle here, soft modeling dough, a plate, a glass, a jar, or a vase that's taller than the candle you're using, and some water. To perform this experiment, you'll first want to stabilize the candle on your plate with the soft modeling dough. Put it in the center of the plate, and then surround the candle with your pennies on the plate. Next, you'll take water and you'll pour it on the base of the plate, enough so that it covers the pennies with water. This will be important later on. Then you'll want to take a match and light your candle. Next, you'll cover the candle with the glass and watch what happens. This vacuum that's created has drawn the water into the glass, and you can see that the pennies are no longer submerged. If it doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just try again. Be sure to practice, and for more information, refer to the Science Leader Guide.